Okay, it's fall in Ohio, 2024. I'm going to winterize my Mercury 60 horsepower outboard motor on my Nitro 640LX bass boat. This is right here. So I'm going to try to do this very quickly because it's actually like 75 degrees, which is nuts. It's October 27th or 8th. So I'm going to knock this out real quick. First thing I got to do is put the motor down. Take the cowl off. I can figure out how to do that. And then I gotta take this air box off. There's 4 of them. I think this is a 2004 or 2005 motor. Still runs real good. One on there, right there. I was trying not to do that, but normally they all fall out. And these little gaskets fall out sometimes too. Which sit on here that seal up to here. Next thing I gotta do is hook my water muffs up, which are right here. I got the hose right behind me. You do this so you don't burn your motor up because it's water cooled. It goes right over those holes right there. I'm gonna lift this up and go fire the hose up and try to get this thing started. The plan is to spray some of this inside the motor as it's running, and when smoke starts coming out, that means you got it all basically lubricated up inside the motor so it doesn't freeze or do anything like that in the winter time. So basically it's fogging the motor, which prevents varnish buildup and keeps the combustion chamber clean. I got an extra can right here. This stuff here is old and I'm almost out, so I'm going to turn the camera off, get the hose on, come back and keep this thing going. All right, in this motor you have to prime it. I got the water flow going. Here comes the wind. And on the ignition for this, there's a choke too, where you push it in. I got it in neutral. Oh, almost. going to pull the plugs off and spray some into the plug area. Put the plugs back on, and that'll be the end of this video. Stand by. Try to do this with one hand. A little bit of this left. This is almost out, so I'm just trying to use it up before I pitch it. Okay. That can's done. It's lasted me 5 years. Now I gotta slam the plugs back in, which I'll do, and talk at the same time. I just finger tight these. And then throw the cowl back on, and then back the boat up. I leave the motor down in the winter time in case there's any water in a lower unit, because if you leave it up and there's water in there, it can actually crack your lower unit. So was told to me by a guy at the barber shop. And then I pull my batteries out and put them in the basement because it gets really, really cold here sometimes. And then she's done until next spring. Oops. Need to put this bad boy back on. I'll clean all this out in the spring. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. See you next spring.